Okay, let us talk about domain and range of a relation. Domain and range of a relation. We have already seen what we mean by a relation, how it is defined, and we have already seen the examples of the relation. So let's talk about the domain. So if R is defined, R basically is a relation. R is defined in this way: x comma y, where x is belonging to set A and y is belonging to set B, such that x is related to y. So this R is basically a relation. R is a relation from A to B, or we can also say R is a subset of A cross B, right? So this is the definition of the relation we have already seen. And now what will be the domain? So if this R is a relation, then a set, let's call it D, this is domain. Okay, so what is a domain? Domain is a set of all elements, from the left side of each ordered pair from R. Okay, so this is the set D. Let me define it symbolically. So this D will be equal to X, where X belongs to set A and X R Y. Right? So all x's which are in R combinedly will give you the set of all elements, and this is called as a domain. It is also indicated by dome of R. Now let us see the example. Okay, let us say that this is a set A. I'll take this example 1, 2 and 3, and there is a set B with elements 2 and 4, and the relation R is defined such that x comma y, where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and such that x is less than y, right? So in our case, what will be R? This R will have elements 1 comma 2, then it will have 1 comma 4, as 1 is less than 2 and 1 is less than 4 as well. Then we'll have 2 comma 4, because 2 is less than 4, and lastly we'll have 3 comma 4. So these are the ordered pairs into the R. Now in each ordered pair we'll pick the left element. So in this left element is 1, in this left element is 1, in this left element is 2, and in this left element is 3. So the domain of R will be equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So all the elements here, all x which are belonging to ordered pair and are coming from the set A. This is the domain of R. Similarly, we can define the range. Okay, so what will be the range? Range. This is a set of all elements from ordered pairs from R, such that the element comes from set Y, or we can say it's the right hand side element of the pair. Like in the above example, if we'll see, this is R, so we'll take all the right side elements which are coming from the other set. This is not set Y, I should write it set B. So this is set B, it's not Y, it's set B. Okay, this is set B. Okay, so here we can see in this example, from set B it's 2, this is 4 right hand side, this is 4, and this is also 4. So we used to write it as range of R, this is equal to 2 comma 4. So the two elements are coming from the right hand side set, which is from B, and in all the ordered pairs the right element will be inside the range set. So this is your domain and range. Let me give you one more example. If I have a relation R, let us say if I have a relation R with these ordered pairs 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, and let's say 2 comma 2. Then what will be the domain set? So dome of R will contain all the left side elements. This is 1, 1, 2 and 2. So this will be 1 comma 2. And what will be range of R? That is all the elements which are on the right hand side. So right hand side we are having 1, 2, 4 and 2. So I'll just write 1, 2 and 4. This is range. Let us say if I give you a set A with elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and then again we have B with elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So you have to give me a relation R which is defined by x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and it is defined by that x is a multiple of y. X is a multiple of y. Can you all give me this relation?